Do you know that the average person in the world reads about 6 books per year? This number is higher in places such as India, Sweden, France and China, and it is very low in places such as Africa. It's the same thing for teachers. Most of teachers don't read. They are so overwhelmed with schoolwork. They have to plan lessons, they have to grade students' work, they have to keep track with students' learning, so they don't have enough time for their professional development. There is a significant correlation between reading books and the quality of education. I personally believe that reading and writing are very important because they help you grow mentally, psychologically, personally and professionally. From the perspective of a teacher, these two skills can have a significant impact on your instructional performance as a teacher, the quality of education you serve to your students, and your students' academic achievement. Hi everybody, my name is Joseph and I am the founder of Education Utopians. And if anybody is watching this right now, they are probably asking, who are Education Utopians? Education Utopians are me, you, and every single individual in the world who is passionate about education in general, language teaching, language learning, language. Education in the 21st century has become very challenging, and a lot of teachers and educators are struggling more than any time before. Education Utopians is an international platform that was created to promote teachers' professional development, to share the best practices of language teaching and language learning, to help teachers voice their thoughts, ideas, perspectives about different educational issues. Together as a community, we assume a huge responsibility to learn from one another, to share our learning experiences, to exchange our ideas, to eventually and ultimately promote quality education and a perspective of excellence all over the world.